Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags here with Dirk Pressure Washers. What we're doing today is talking to you about Y strainer assemblies. Specifically, we're going to talk about these ones from Banjo. These are the poly Y strainers that we install on most of our rigs. In this video, we're going to talk about the 1/2 inch and 3/4. If you're in need of 1 inch size, go ahead and skip to the next video because that one is coming up. What we've done here is basically broken them down into the 3 parts. We're going to call this the body. We have the bowl or the cup, and then on the inside itself, we have the actual strainer piece. So let's go ahead and start with the thread size. This should be the same on both sides. It's going to be, in this context, we have our 1/2 inch. This one over here is 3/4, but for the most part, they're identical. The bodies are not interchangeable because this is the only piece that is unique. However, when we look at the bowl or the filter itself, these are interchangeable between the two pieces, meaning if you have one versus the other, you can always swap them. The same exact stainless steel mesh is on both of these. The easiest way to clean this is just to take Dawn dishwashing soap, scrub it up, let it sit for a minute, rinse it out, and then this strainer should be as good as new. You'll notice that it does come in some sort of a plastic cage. This is basically to protect it against cracking or bending or flexing. And then when we install that, there's really no way to actually screw that up because it'll correct itself due to that rigid frame. If we look at the bowl itself, we'll notice that this does have an O-ring here, as well as a piece down here that backs itself out. This O-ring is pretty critical. If that gets damaged in some capacity, you want to make sure that you either get a new O-ring or get a new bowl assembly and replace this as soon as possible. If we look down here, this bolt is able to back itself out and expose 1/4 inch female national pipe thread. The reason that's important, we tell a lot of people that if they're in need of basically winterizing their tank for the season, or winterizing their entire system, or winterizing whatever it is this is running through, you can easily put a 1/4 inch air nipple on the 1/2 inch as well as a 3/4, blow out the entire system, and boom, it is good to go, ready for the next season's use. If you like what you see, we'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.